Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing well. So today we'll be discussing the best salad spinners out on the market. All the products we reviewed are given below in the description box. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Number 1. OXO Good Grips. Plenty of competitors have tried to unseat OXO's domination in the salad spinner category since the Good Grips model launched in the early 90s. But in our tests, none came close. This model was the simplest, the most pleasant to use, and the most effective. Both the outer bowl and the inner basket are generously proportioned. It has over a 6-quart capacity, easily holding a full bag of salad greens and a large bunch of herbs. The clear bowl and basket have a neutral design that makes the contents easy to see, and allows each part to double as a serving bowl or colander. It was also the sturdiest of all models we tried, never threatening to crack or buckle. A subtle rubberized non-slip ring on the bottom of the bowl, along with a wide base and tall straight sides, helps keep the spinner stable and completely wobble-free on the counter, and ensures that even when operating it with only one hand, you never have to worry about flying objects. Then there's the eponymous Good Grip, the soft rubberized push button on the top of the lid that, once pumped, starts the inner basket spinning quickly and smoothly. According to OXO, the mechanism was inspired by a child's merry-go-round toy, and compared to the other crank and pulley models we tried, it was so intuitive, balanced, and easy to use that even a toddler could use it. Plus, the soft brake button on the top of the lid really works, stopping the spinning motion nearly instantly. Cleaning was simple thanks to the large, evenly spaced basket holes. Just a quick hand rinse will get the job done, but if you're feeling lazy, all of the components are dishwasher safe as well. Number 2. Cuisinart CTG-00-SAS. The Cuisinart CTG-00-SAS was surprisingly impressive, given its small size. Though it is smaller than many other choices in this review, it removed water and dirt well. One nice feature, which only one other appliance in our roundup has, is a hole in the top of the lid. The hole allows you to add more water during operation. Once the lid is secure, you don't need to take it off until the greens are fully cleaned. Additionally, the crank arm is ergonomic. The colander securely fit within the bowl, and the non-slip pads on the bottom stabilize the bowl during high-speed spinning. The clip to secure the colander onto the bowl does take an extra second or two, but it fastens easily. All these factors make fast spinning easier. The main limitation of this model is braking performance. At times, the salad spinner was harder to hold securely after high-speed spinning due to the smaller lid. It's best to avoid spinning the colander at the highest speed to prevent this issue. However, by no means is this problem a deal breaker. This model won't disappoint, especially if you want a compact spinner that leaves room for other appliances in your kitchen. Number 3. Mueller. The Mueller 5-liter vegetable washer performed well in the battery of tests that we threw at it. Though pricier than many spinners we tested, its unique benefit outweighed the added expense. The unit was a breeze to get up to a high spin rate, which allowed for an impressive amount of water removal. After 2 consecutive 5-second spins, it averaged 96.5% water removal across the 4 types of plants tested. We especially appreciated the ability of this model with freshly rinsed kale and blackberries. The lid fits securely on the bowl while offering trouble-free cleanup. Although its braking button was small, it still easily stopped after a fast spinning operation. Not everything was perfect though. Perhaps this unit could benefit from a redesign on the colander. In both the dirt test and its ability to be cleaned, the colander created issues that caused it to lose points. Despite this product more than made up for lower scores after receiving perfect scores in the water removal, ease of spinning, and ease of braking tests. If you're after an excellent spinner, this might be the answer. Number 4. Prepworks by Progressive. If you're looking for a spinner with a small footprint, then the Prepworks by Progressive collapsible 3-quart is a good choice. Though it underperformed in many of our tests, it still functioned adequately in most situations. Spinner was very easy to clean. The silicone walls of the colander may have contributed to inferior scores in the water removal and dirt removal metrics. but they did prove easy to clean. Those same silicone walls are also what allow this product to collapse and nest very efficiently. In many of the other categories, the Prepworks by Progressive collapsibles seem to be plagued by issues related to the fragile and cheap-feeling crank arm mechanism. The inadequacies of the crank arm led to slower spinning and harder to break operation. This collapsible spinner might be your best bet to add to a camping or RV setup, but it fails to stack up well against the competition. Number 5. Farberware. The Farberware salad spinner is a push-powered and brake-equipped option, with an internal basket with a 5.25 quart capacity. With more than adequate functionality, this spinner is a mid-level performer in removing both water and dirt. It isn't the absolute best performer in either metric, but for the most part left our greens plenty dry and clean. The rubberized button keeps the device from wiggling across the counter while in use, and the brake, while not instantaneous, works well enough. While this spinner without a doubt can get the job done, the design isn't as polished as some of the more premium options. The top seriously rattles when in use, and the thin plastic bowl has a concerning amount of flex to it. Given the large capacity, average performance, and low price, this salad spinner is a good choice for someone looking to wash large amounts of greens without spending too much money in the process. Number 6. Westmark. The salad spinner features a simple design and is made from high-quality polypropylene. There is a range of colors and styles available that will brighten up your kitchen, such as apple green and white, full apple green, green apple, red and white, or dark red. There is a medium-sized slotted basket and bowl which has a good amount of room for salad and vegetables. You will be able to separate liquids from salad or vegetables with minimal effort, as the lid has a very solid, easy spin and reliable ergonomic knob that you turn to spin, and you can simply pour out any liquid using the practical pouring spot. The 4 rubber pads on the bottom keep the spinner securely on the kitchen countertop. You can even turn those salad preparation chores into a fun activity for the kids. The salad and veggie spinner comes apart for easy cleaning and is dishwasher safe. Westmark is completely confident that you will love its product, that they offer a refund and your money back, no questions asked. The salad spinner comes with a very generous 5-year warranty cover. So that's all about today's video. Hope all of you enjoyed today's video. If so, please share and like. Let's meet with another video next time.